Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best plastic glue is probably one of the most crucial tools in any DIY enthusiast's or professional's arsenal. From repairing broken toys to crafting intricate models, the right adhesive can make all the difference. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best one for your specific needs? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of plastic glues, exploring the top contenders and helping you find the perfect match for your projects. Number 5. Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL, 25G, All-Purpose. This is the Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL. It's perfect for all your projects and repairs. The gel formula is thick and won't run, making it ideal for vertical surfaces. Unlike liquid super glues, this gel formula stays put. It provides a strong bond without dripping. It's the perfect solution for those tricky applications. This all-purpose glue works on glass, plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, rubber, leather, and paper. It's designed to handle almost any project you throw at it. The glue dries crystal clear, so the focus stays on your work, not the adhesive. It provides a clean, discreet finish every time. The special cap prevents the glue from drying out and clogging. It ensures the glue stays ready for use, time after time. This adhesive sets in just 10 to 45 seconds, and no clamping is required. It provides a fast, strong bond for all your needs. What we like. This glue features a gel formula, perfect for vertical surfaces. It bonds to various materials, making it ideal for all projects. If you have a project with multiple materials or need a quick fix, you should consider this one. What people say. It bonds quickly and forms a strong, permanent bond on a wide variety of materials, including plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, and even rubber. The gel consistency is a standout feature. Gorilla Super Glue Gel dries very quickly, usually within 10 to 30 seconds, depending on the materials you're working with. Number 4. Weld Plastic Bonder, Black 25 ml. This is a quick-set, two-part urethane adhesive system. It's designed to provide strong, lasting repairs on various materials. The product works on thermoset, carbon fiber composites, thermoplastics, coated metals, and concrete. You can count on it for a durable bond. For more than 40 years, Weld products have been trusted by professionals. This product continues the tradition of providing the world's strongest bond. It has a 1:1 mixing ratio and sets in just 15 minutes. You can sand it after 30 minutes, and it cures to a hard, permanent bond. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use on plastic, composite, PVC, and more. It also makes a great gap filler and dries black in color. What we like. This is a two-part adhesive system that provides strong, lasting repairs. It also works as a gap filler and dries black. If you are looking for a durable solution for plastic repairs, especially with gaps, this is the one for you. What people say. The glue worked perfectly for my project. It bonded the plastic pieces together quickly and effectively. The bond is strong and has held up well. Number 3. Loctite Super Glue Gel Control. This is Loctite Super Glue Gel Control. It's a clear superglue designed for various materials, making repairs easier than ever. It's perfect for your home and office needs. This cyanoacrylate superglue is specially formulated for strong holds. It's designed to fix breaks quickly and effectively. You can rely on it for lasting results. The no-mess formula is ideal for vertical applications. You don't have to worry about drips or runs with this product. It provides a clean and precise application. The patented Easy Side Squeeze bottle design gives you maximum control. It allows for pinpoint accuracy during application. This feature makes it user-friendly. It works on porous and non-porous surfaces. This includes leather, wood, rubber, metal, and more. Its versatility makes it suitable for many different projects. The gel formula sets quickly without clamping and dries transparent. It dries in about 30 to 45 seconds. This is ideal for various projects around the home and office. What we like. This glue has a no-drip formula, perfect for vertical applications. It features a unique bottle design for maximum control. If you like precision and a clean application for your crafts or repairs, you should consider this one. What people say. The gel consistency is one of the standout features of this super glue. Unlike liquid super glues, the gel formula doesn't run or drip, allowing for more precise application, especially on vertical surfaces or intricate parts. Loctite is known for its strong and durable bonding capabilities, and this gel glue is no exception. It creates a robust bond on a variety of materials, including plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, rubber, leather, and more. The product comes with a specially designed squeeze bottle that allows for precise control over the flow of glue. Number 2. JB Weld 33120H SuperWeld Glue, 20G. Introducing SuperWeld, a cyanoacrylate super glue. It provides a strong, instant bond in just seconds. It works on multiple and hard-to-bond surfaces. Builders, mechanics, and repair professionals trust this product. They know this product bonds strongly to various surfaces, even in tough environments. Choose the product the pros trust for your projects. The applicator allows you to pinpoint the smallest spot. It applies evenly for any surface application. Bonds in seconds for all your projects. This clear super glue is ideal for many items. It works great on china, glass, auto accessories, rubber, plastic, vinyl, cloth, metal, and rear-view mirrors. Get a strong bond quickly with this glue. It's perfect for all your household and repair needs. This product is the perfect solution for a variety of projects. What we like. This super glue provides an instant and strong bond. The applicator allows for precise and even application. If you need a quick and reliable bond for various household items, you should consider this one. What people say. The glue worked perfectly for my project. It bonded the plastic pieces together quickly and effectively. The bond is strong and has held up well. Number 1. Loctite Plastics Bonder, instant adhesive for various materials. This is a two-part adhesive system, including glue and an activator. It primes surfaces for a superior bond, ensuring a strong and lasting hold. This product easily bonds to difficult plastics like polyethylene, polypropylene, and polytetrafluoroethylene. It's designed to handle materials that other adhesives can't. The cyanoacrylate adhesive offers tremendous strength and requires no clamping or mixing. It's a reliable solution for various repair needs. The bonding system dries instantly and transparently, making it perfect for invisible repairs. You'll get a clean finish every time. It's resistant to water, most chemicals, and freezing temperatures. This product provides a durable bond in various environmental conditions. What we like. This bonding system includes glue and an activator for a superior bond. It easily bonds to hard-to-bond plastics. If you are looking for a glue that can handle tough plastics and withstand different weather conditions, you should consider this one. What people say. This was the only glue that worked. And it welds the pieces together to give you an amazing bond. So if you're working with PE, PP, or PTFE, this is your answer. The repair was a polished steel weight that had been overmolded with nylon and had broken where the two materials came together. I used this bonder by coating both parts with the activator, then applying the bonding adhesive, clamped them gently, and left them overnight. Next morning, good as new. If you follow the directions precisely as written on the back, you'll have good luck. I did. After I got my little project finished, I tried it on a few more different types of plastic, and of the 4 I tried, all 4 worked. All stuck to all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.